So let me guess. You're looking for a side hustle that actually fits your life and meets your expectations. And after some research, you keep hearing about digital real estate, digital leasing, and rank and rent websites. It sounds intriguing, but nobody really explains the model or shows you a simple way to start from zero. After thriving in the digital real estate space since 2019, I want to help you understand the model, and you can judge for yourself if it's right for you or not. So, I created a free 27-page digital real estate starter kit that breaks down what digital real estate really means, how the rank and rent model works with local businesses, how simple local lead generation sites can become real online assets, and the first steps to build your own digital landlord portfolio, and more. No sales pitch, no hype, no get-rich-quick promises. Just a clear, beginner-friendly guide to help you understand if this model fits your skills, time, and goals. Just drop KIT in the comments and I'll send you the link to download the free digital real estate starter kit.